Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Are hiccups normal at 38 weeks pregnant? They are harmless, and they are usually caused by the development of the baby's reflexes. However, even though the hiccups are perfectly normal, you should bring them up at your next appointment because they could also be signs that your baby is not getting enough air due to cord compression. How long do baby hiccups last? How long do baby hiccups last? Babies can have hiccups multiple times a day, lasting for 10 minutes or longer. As a general rule, if baby acts happy and doesn't seem uncomfortable, baby hiccups aren't a cause for concern. What can indicate fetal distress? Fetal distress is diagnosed by reading the baby's heart rate. A slow heart rate, or unusual patterns in the heart rate, may signal fetal distress. Sometimes fetal distress is picked up when a doctor or midwife listens to the baby's heart during pregnancy. Do hiccups mean fetal distress? It's a good sign. Fetal hiccups, just like any other twitching or kicking in there, show that your baby is developing well. However, if it happens too often, particularly at a later stage in your pregnancy, there is a chance that it's a sign of distress. How long can baby hiccups last in womb? While fetal hiccups can be distracting, they are not painful, and episodes should not last longer than 15 minutes. Fetal movements can be uncomfortable and make it difficult for pregnant women to relax or even fall asleep. Where do you feel hiccups if baby is head down? Feel hiccups on the lower part of your belly, meaning that their chest is likely lower than their legs. Hear their heartbeat, using an at-home Doppler or fetoscope, on the lower part of your belly, meaning that their chest is likely lower than their legs. How do you know if umbilical cord is wrapped around baby? Signs: the umbilical cord is around baby's neck. It's visible via ultrasound. Baby is suddenly moving less in the last weeks of your pregnancy. Baby suddenly moves forcefully, then moves considerably less. Baby's heart rate is decelerating during labor.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.